Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use iPad for video editing. Once the trimming is out of the way, the editing process for video works the same as it does with photos. Select the adjustment icon on the toolbar to adjust the attributes of the clip. Tap the auto icon to change all the attributes in one shot, or choose each individual icon to tweak the attribute separately. Just like a photo, you can tap Undo in the top left corner to take back your last action. Tap Redo to repeat your last action. Apply a filter. Tap the filter icon to apply different types of color filters to the video. These filters include original, vivid, vivid warm, vivid cool, dramatic, dramatic warm, dramatic cool, mono, silver tone, and noir. Adjust the slider bar for each filter to increase or decrease its intensity. Then, change a video size and orientation. Tap the crop icon to crop your video. Drag the guidelines to crop the footage until only what you want to keep is visible. You can also flip and rotate the video by using the controls in the upper left corner. Just like a still photo, you can tap the segmented square icon in the top right corner to change the aspect ratio of the image. You can change the general shape of the video and also change the aspect ratio. Tap Done to save your changes or cancel to discard them. Copy and paste edits. To apply the attribute and filter changes from one video to another, tap the three-dot icon for the first video and select Copy Edits. Open the second video, tap the three dots icon and select Paste Edits. There are limitations to the video editing skills of the Photos app. For instance, you can combine multiple clips into a single video. For that, you'd want to turn to a more powerful mobile editor, such as Apple's free iMovie app. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.